Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a free AI video in the easiest, most simplest way possible. So basically in this video, what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Synthesia in a very quick way. So Synthesia is basically a generation platform where you can create an AI video using these AI models over here and some texts, okay? And it's totally free, no credit card required. Just sign up with their page and they give you 140 plus avatars, 120 plus languages and accents, and 60 plus pre-designed templates. You can also create your own avatar, but that does take some cost. But yeah, this is how it's going to look. They're going to give you a standard avatar. You can add videos over it, and then you can also add text prompts under it. So synthesia.io, use it right now and get the best free video AI generations. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm going to write that. I'm going to click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're going to wait for it to search up and it's going to give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Bing Image Creator. It is very interesting guys, very useful. You will be able to create amazing designs as you can see over here. These particular images are simply powered by Dalio 3, which as you may have guessed is extremely powerful. Very important, first thing you want to click over here, join and create. You want to create after you sign in, right, with your account. In our example over here guys, we are going to create something unique. We are going to create a city in the middle of the ocean that is looking like New York City. Well guys, now we are waiting to see what will be the result over here. Very interesting. It is easy to use. You don't have to have a specific particular knowledge, or you don't have to be a designer or creator. You can just use your imagination. It usually takes a while, but it depends on the traffic, depends how many people are using it. If you can see over here what has been given here as an idea, as inspiration, if you can see there's an astronaut, right, that is not actually in the space. It looks like he's floating somewhere else. Okay. Oh wow, just look at this. Look at what we created over here guys. If you click on one of these images, right, you're gonna essentially have this amazing creation. So guys, what we can do this, first of all, you can click share, right? You can share this to a website. You can share, you can copy the link, you can put the link inside your blog post. You can come over here on the plus sign that you see over here. You can essentially save this into your images because you have a collection, right? Usually people create collections. Or you can click on the three dots over here and simply click download. This is simply unbelievable. As you can see, the quality of it is saved in 262 kilobytes, so it is not a large format, right? So you click over here, you click download, and then you simply download it. Okay, this is how simple it is. So if you look at the other images, so if we close down, we can look at, wow, look at this image guys. This is simply unbelievable. Just think about how you can utilize this in your own world. Just, you see, we have two Statues of Liberty, right? You have multiple crossing bridges. It's absolutely stunning, and this has just been generated and created from, like I said, just one simple prompt. Look at this. So guys, this is how simple it is. If you want to change something, right, you can click on the text underneath and you can essentially add to your previous prompt. For example, if you want to come over here, you can simply create and you can add more to the items. The more important part over here is that you have this small lightning on the side. So this might essentially means that creating images more quickly with boost that will essentially help you to speed up the whole process, right? This is kind of an upgrade. So essentially you can utilize many functions, but this is simply mind-blowing, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Media Studio and how you can utilize different projects by simply using the AI image generator from Canva. All you gotta do is to come over here on the apps inside the Canva app, and then you want to scroll down and look for different apps that are currently trending. You can find something that you like, you can find something new, you can find something that is recommended from the app itself, but we are going to look for Magic Media. We're going to use Magic Media because this is the proprietary and it's very fast. It works easily. You will be able to understand exactly how you can generate images, logos, and other projects. So when you come over here, you want to use a brand new design if you don't have an existing one that you want to change. When you click create a new design, we're going to use the AI image generator to create some new social media post. So previously we did some logos, we did some small adjustments, but as you can see over here, you can create a t-shirt design, right? You can sell something. We have a desktop wallpaper. So for example, if we want to create a desktop wallpaper, this simply will change the ratio of our image. So the way how the Magic Media works is that you will have this window where you're going to input your prompt, and then if you scroll down, you can essentially change the layout or the filter or the style of which will apply to your image. Also, if you want to change the aspect ratio to a landscape in our example, simply because it will be a wallpaper, right? You can do it. So create a Hawaii vibe place with infrastructure like New York City. Make the beach in the middle of the city around Times Square. Okay, let's see let's see how this crazy image will look like, guys. But essentially this is how it works. So you're going to get like 4 different versions of this image generated from the AI, and you can pick which one you like. If you don't like any of it, or you want to change something, right, you can simply scroll down and you will have an option. Like for example, I can come over here and we can continue our prompt. We can include more stuff as we like to, right? We can add more details and we can click generate again. This will give us another example. If I click on one of the images and simply make it larger, this is one of the benefits of AI. You probably wonder what is it. The benefit is that even if you make an image large, this will not ruin the quality because this is not a JPEG, right? This is why this is so good, and this is why we really like it. So essentially this is how nice, and if I zoom in, you could see that this looks awesome, right? Can you imagine this really to be true? We have this crazy beach. It reminds me of Chicago, to be honest with you guys. But this is how you can create a wallpaper using Magic Media on Canva AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator on Canva. Very easy guys, very simple. The first thing I want to do is come over here at the canva.com. You want to stay on the home page, and when you're over here you want to click on the upper left side of the screen where you see the 3 straight lines. This will launch additional menu, and then you're going to click on the apps. Then you want to click on discover apps. So you want to make sure you browse all the apps over here. So the first thing that we're gonna focus is we're gonna actually look for the Canva's own proprietary technology app, which will be Magic Media. So in this example, we are going to utilize Magic Media. This is the first icon over here. In this example, we are going to use the AI image generator of Canva's AI. We are going to create a brand new design, and as you can see over here, you have a pre-made templates for anything that you want to create. So for example, if you want to create a story, if you want to create a logo, if you want to create an email newsletter, presentation, anything is here, guys. So for example, if you want to create Instagram post, you have the square option over here. In our example, we're going to create a logo. And the way how this actually works is that when you come over here, you have to type a particular prompt. When you type the prompt, you also have to choose underneath the style of the prompt. So in our example, we're going to create New York City in the space with flying cars and what else, and connecting roads in the space to other planets. Okay guys, so we pick this one, and we're going to select our style. You can just pick something else, right? You don't have to be some of these styles, but you can collect all of these styles. These styles will change the way how the image actually looks like after it's generated. I don't like any of it. You can also have the option see all, so you can pick more styles, but I want to see how the city will look like without the actual filter on top. So as you can see now, the AI generates the image based on our prompt. Usually works pretty fast. As you can see now, we're having the first image already generated, and it looks very cool. The second one, oh look at, yeah, I think this is very nice. So if you click on the image itself, you will see the best thing about AI is that even if you adjust the size of it, right, it's still going to look very cool. It's not gonna reduce the quality as the usual JPEG that you will have. I want you to remember this. Now if you click on the upper side, you can essentially copy, you can paste elements on top of it like a usual Canva project. Remember, this is something that will find its shape and its form, right? So this is how you change the current aspect ratio, and then you can essentially go back, or you can create another file over here and create a mockup for let's say a collage, right? Let's go back and let's see how the other images actually look, because the main idea was that when you actually utilize Canva Magic Media, right, this is just one tool. Remember, it is very important for you to know exactly what you want to create and to input as many details as possible. The more details you input inside the prompt, the better the output and the results will be. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use AI image generator inside the Canva app. In the previous videos we went through animation apps, we went through Dali, we went through Magic Studio. You want to make sure you watch these videos guys so you understand how to use these apps, what kind of results we got. In this example over here guys, I'm gonna go through Imagen. So this is essentially based on AI software coming from Google. Very interesting. I have a huge hopes about this. I read good things about it. So let's jump in. The first thing that you wanna choose is, are you gonna create something from scratch like we are planning to do, or you have existing project in Canva app that you can import and start working on it. In our case, we're going to choose a brand new project and we're going to create, I would say, uh, I would say something nice photo wallpaper. This sounds cool. Okay, so as you can see over here, turn your text into photorealistic AI, a beautiful oil painting of Bergen. You see what are the results. So let's dive into the prompt itself. Create a painting of Monte Carlo during the winter. Let's see what we're going to get, guys. So Google Imagen will simply give you only two variations. Dali will give you two variations. The Magic Studio will give you four variations. So the result content does not meet our policy. What is the policy? I don't know. Oil painting of Monaco. Another try. We didn't use any brand, right, guys? We just used the name of the city, Monte Carlo. They thought we're probably talking about the casino Monte Carlo. Okay, guys, we do have some results over here. Wow, look at this one. Let me type for you. So you can always make these pictures larger by simply dragging the corners. I don't like the ratio of the template, right? We have to move it on the side so you'll be able to see, but I think it's so pretty, guys. It's so beautiful. Do you see all the details of Monte Carlo? It's beautiful. All the marina and everything. Just think about now if you have like some of these crazy printers that can print like the actual materials, right? They can print with particular like a pronounced design that it could be like you can touch the whole difference in the buildings, right? It's amazing. This is how you can use Imagen from Google, guys. I think this is my second favorite. The first one still remains to be Magic Studio from Canva AI. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.
Invideo AI tutorial. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you how you can use Invideo IO and use Invideo's AI with it. Okay, so you can create videos with text prompts, enter any topic, and Invideo AI gets to work. It generates a script, creates scenes, and adds voiceovers and tweaks everything. So Invideo is pretty much incredible for TikTok and YouTube. The reason for that is because it creates a new story, it creates the video itself. Okay, it gives you the best texting, gives you the best text to speech, gives you the best images and everything to go along with it. So you can generate a video and it all works out pretty nicely. Now, moving on, you can also use different elements and you can edit different types of text, add in different types of transitions, and it all is pretty easy. Okay, just the pricing is what you're going to need to get looked at. So you can sign up pretty simply. First of all, there's the totally free platform, okay, which is pretty incredible. Okay, you can use this platform totally for free. Then there's Plus, which is for creators that are starting their journey. Now, if you're just one user, then it's $20 per month, but the more users you get, the more it gets multiplied. And then there's Max, which is for growing and established creators, where you can get more and more users for yourself, but the stock is $48, okay? So you're going to want to have these things running and working, and that's Invideo AI basically. So that's how you can use this for yourself. And you can use the AI to create videos of YouTube, AI talking avatar, AI talking script generator, AI text to video, AI video editor, AI video gen, and AI voice generator. Pictory AI tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Pictory AI and how you can use this AI for yourself in the easiest way. So basically, you can use Pictory for AI content creation. So the account creation process is pretty simple. You're going to click on get started for free. Okay, there's no credit card required when you go through the sign up process. So you're just going to click on those things, and here you're going to come to sign up. Now, once you come over here, it's going to take you through all the processes. Now, when it comes to creating things with Pictory, basically it first gives you different templates to work with, okay? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead, okay? I'm going to add an email. There we go. You're going to create a password for yourself. Make sure that it's a strong and well-built password. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this. Now, once you continue this, basically what happens from here is that you are going to be taken to this section where it's going to give you all the editorial sequences, and you can do a lot of things in Pictory. You can go from script to video in about minutes, turn blog posts into videos for better SEO and reduced bounce rates, transform long videos into engaged branded clips for social media like TikTok and stuff. And then all you're going to do is you're going to verify the payment method with your credit card. And once you get all those things, you can achieve all of these settings and all of these features in the shortest amount of time. How to use Google Bard AI 2024 full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Google Bard AI, and I'm going to be showing you on how you can integrate Google Bard AI with other Google services and how you can make full use of these things, okay? Google Bard AI is a new innovation in the AI world. It's a great chat-based AI tool, okay? And it even gives competition to greatest chatbot AIs like Bing AI or even ChatGPT because it uses a GPT-4 model. Obviously, it's in beta right now. It's being worked on. It's not completed. It has some issues, but it works incredibly, and I'm going to showcase it all for you. So, to start things off, here we have Bard. We're going to go straight to it. Now, once you load Bard up, it's going to bring you here. So here it says, hello again. Tell me what's on your mind or pick a suggestion. Now, again, like ChatGPT, it gives you suggestions like understand all these things, create these things, explore these things. And let's say, and understand, you can actually access Google Map as you can see over here. Or you can create any of these things, or you can explore any of these things. Let's say I want to go ahead and write a prompt. Let's start pretty basic. Let's start pretty easy. Okay. So let's start off by writing, I want you to write me an essay on, let's say, Napoleon. Make the essay 500 words long. You do that, enter, and now we're just going to wait for it to load up. Okay, so once it loads up, it keeps going on and on. So here you go. Napoleon Bonaparte, Legacy of Triumph and Tragedy, and it keeps going on and on. And you can even like test the word limit, by the way. So basically, let's copy this and see if the word limit is actually, on point. So I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna come here and you're just gonna write, go to some word limit checker, and we're gonna go to word counter, and we're gonna see how much it gives us. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this, paste my own, and as we scroll down, look at that. It's 578 words, pretty close, right? Like it's not too far-fetched. So you get the point, and it's a proper essay. It's a proper essay that you can present in class. Now, if we want to, get a little more advanced, if you want to, start creating a little more, what you can do is you can actually start asking it coding questions, because coding is a pretty, you could say, difficult part of front end and back end programming. So let's go ahead and ask it some coding questions. So let's start off with, I want you to write me a program in C++ about a, let's say, Fibonacci sequence. Let's go ahead and ask it that. And we're going to search that in. And you're going to see that it actually gives you spot on coding. It's going to give you the proper program in C++. It's going to use the header files, namespace, and it uses the correct variables with actual comments explaining to you what line does what. So that's the incredible part about it. And then later on, it actually explains the code to you. So here we can see Fibonacci iterative takes an integer as input representing the number of terms, then, it just keeps on explaining, which is the best part about it. Like if you can add this in ChatGPT and it's never going to explain the code to you, you're going to have to ask it to explain the code. And even then, it's not going to explain the best. This explanation is on point. Like you can literally pause the video if there's any programmers watching this, and you're going to understand this pretty well. So, this is getting a little more in depth of it. Now, time to use it with its integrations. So, let's go ahead and ask it, give me the location of, let's say, Central Park, New York. Okay, I'm just going to search that up and just wait for it. Look at that. It's going to actually turn on Google Maps and it's going to show you the actual map. Look at that. How incredible. And even if you like want to get into more details, like let's say I'm going to go with some random address. Give me let's say 35th Street in, I don't know, let's say Canada. Okay. So you're going to search that up. And obviously, if there is no 35th Street, it's going to tell you that there is no 35th Street. You're going to have to specify. So let's say I'm going to, you know, ask something about my country. I'm going to go with show me where E7 sector is. Okay, we're going to search that in and we're going to click on enter. And you're going to see that it actually goes through the online maps and shows you the proper geological ways. Now, the thing is, if it comes in its safety guidelines, it won't show you, but if it's not in the safety guidelines, it will show you. Now let's use more integrations. We're going to write, I want you to create a Google Sheet table with 3 columns and 6 rows. I'm going to write that in. And once we write that in, you're going to see that it's actually going to create an actual column from Google Sheets. And look at that. How incredible. And you can actually export this to your actual Sheets design. Okay, it's going to open up Sheets. It's going to export everything. How incredible is that? Now let's move on to some other things. Like you can obviously use more integrations, by the way. Like you have other extensions. You can use Google Maps, Google Sheets. You can even search up things on YouTube. You have Google Flights and all. Like one last thing that I'd like to show you is the YouTube aspect. We're going to write, what is the most disliked YouTube video? Well, let's go ahead with that. And we're going to search that up, the analytical things that you want to go through. And once you search that up, there you go. So it's actually going to give you a whole analytic. So it's going to say, YouTube Rewind with the most dislikes. Then you have these all down here that keep going on with even more dislikes. So, you get the basic point. Then moving on, you can also upload images. Okay. So you can upload images where you can ask it questions regarding this image. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload this image of a bun and I'm going to write, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna write that. I'm gonna click on enter. Now, once you write that and you ask, what is this? We're gonna wait for it to search up and it's gonna give us an explanation on what this image contains. So it says, I cannot access and process the image. Obviously, if the image is a bit blur or if you don't provide the image's link, it might do some mishaps, but it will generally tell you what the image is. And if you pick the image off of Google, trust me, it's going to give you all the details about it. Like you can pick up any image from Google Images and you're going to get the data you want. So that is basically Google Bard AI, and that is how we're going to use it for ourselves. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Ultimate Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make Canva AI Talking Avatar Text to Video in the easiest way. So for this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on Create a Design. And once you click on create a design, what you're going to do from here is you are going to go and search up video. So once you search up video, what you're going to want to do from here is just go on any recurring design. So let's say we're going to come on this video design over here. Now, this should be a good 1920 by 1080 design for a talking video. So to actually get an AI talking avatar, you're going to want to go to a website like D-ID. Okay, d-id.com is one of the greatest websites where you can go ahead and create a graphical user interface, and you can actually create a talking AI, as you can see. So you're going to sign up with your d-id section over here. Okay, get your talking avatar. Now, once you get your talking avatar, you're gonna upload it over here. So let's say this is your video for talking avatar, right? Now to do text to video, okay? To do actual text to video on this, what you're gonna do is you are gonna be using the actual video features that Canva brings you. Okay, you're gonna get a lot of AI tools. So you're gonna use the Canva AI tools, and for that, you are gonna want to use this magic switch. Okay, and in this magic switch, you're going to get Canva Pro. So once you get Canva Pro, you're going to do translate, and what that will do is it will obviously give you textings due to all the language that you're going to get. So get your avatar from D-ID, get your text AI from your Canva, and you're good to go. So that's how you're going to make Canva AI text to video.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Copilot AI from Microsoft. In this particular example, guys, we're going to use very balanced over here on the settings creative mode that will help us to start a business. In the first example that we're going to go over here, guys, we're going to ask what products are good to start an e-commerce business in 2024 based on Google Trends. Let's see. In the previous video, guys, we used Bart AI to start a dropshipping store. We got amazing results. We got Google Trends, all the top search products around Christmas. We got amazing. You definitely want to go out on the channel and find this video as well. Let's see how the Copilot will perform in comparison with. So what we're having over here, let's see. That's a great question. E-commerce, dynamic, competitive, blah blah blah. Sustainable products, consumers are becoming more. That's not what I'm looking for. Give me exact products. You see, that's not good. How about stop? We need to stop replying. Okay. Sustainable products, personalized products, smart products. That's not what I'm looking. How about based on search volume? What are the most searched products recently on Bing search? It didn't answer us for Google search. I think we all know why, but they cannot skip the question for Bing search. Let's see. Based on the web search results, same thing. Oh my gosh, this is very bad, guys. Unfortunately, it looks like I cannot recommend you because they simply cannot help us. Can you even give us a practical information aside from generic sustainable products examples? Let's see. keep giving us this same tech. I'm sorry if you're not satisfied with previous answer. I was trying to give you some trending categories of products that if you want to check, where do you sending me? So if you want a more practical information, you can check out some of the resources that I found from my tool. For example, so guys, if you pay very close attention, if you watch other videos we did case studies, Bing is very strong of giving you sources. It's giving you links to the website. It's not strong of building its own conclusions, which I don't know. If we click on this, for example, they give us a practical e-commerce, which provides news, tips, guidance, and examples of online e-commerce. If you click on this one, why would I click on this one? Charts of 2024, outlook of global CEOs, January 24. Oh, it looks like some blog post or something. Also, they gave us how to start a business from scratch, guide from Shopify, another useful resource, guide to comma, crazy egg. So guys, I cannot recommend you using a Copilot for starting a business or any real life advice or real life navigation or tutorial how to do something. Obviously, so far I can tell you that Bart AI is the winner. It beat ChatGPT. ChatGPT has outdated information and very confusing generic propositions and answers. So if you really want to look to find, we created a Shopify business using Bart AI. Go out and find the video. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to explore Bing Chat and using Bing AI to find out how we can excel on the social media space. We're going to ask a detailed question to gather some information. What are the advantages of starting a brand new social media versus trying to grow the old one? Let's dive in. First thing, you want to come over here and sign up for Bing, and then you want to click on Ask Bing Chat. When you click on it, you will have an option to select what type of questions you want to highlight on, and you want to click on the lower right corner where you see the small keyboard sign. Now let's try to ask the right question. Give me tips for growing on social media in 2024. Please be detailed and don't include any generic suggestions. We run a couple of different case studies with Bart AI and ChatGPT, guys, so you want to make sure you go ahead and watch these videos as well. So far, Bart AI is the winner, but let's see how we can achieve our results using the Bing AI. Okay, understand your audience. You need to know what and who to target as your audience. This includes their motivation, inspirations. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, once you understand your target audience, you can create audience persons. Okay, choose the right platform, be active on the platform where your audience live. You need to put brand where they can find you easily rather than expecting them to seek you. Consistent posting schedule. Create a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged. Post short videos. Embrace social SEO. Help to increase your visibility on the social media platforms. Engage with your audience. Use data sophisticatedly. Okay, social media collaboration and processes. Leverage when the help of the AI will help you out. Strategic approach. And as you can see over here, the main point of using Bing AI is that Bing is giving you like a links and giving you sometimes the actual source of the information where they gather the info from. The issue with this is that sometimes they just give you a random blog post that they find on the search engine of Bing. So it's not like they're giving you the best source possible, right? They're giving you just whatever they find. Whereas with Bart AI is giving you like the most credible because they're using Google ratings, right? People leave comments, what is legit and what isn't, what is working and what is not. What. So now let's niche down, please. Niche down sectors where competition is low. We want to get a little more detailed information, guys. This is not gonna help us if we just run with this one. Sure, here are some sectors with low competition in 2024. B2B influencers. Influencers, okay. Predict, build a strong foundation. The generative AI. We are going to use generative AI in social media space. This could be a great opportunity to stand out from the crowd. Social commerce. Wow, social commerce is not a new concept. There are still many untapped opportunities within the sector. For example, integration of retail media and the creator economy is still a relatively new trend. Threats are quietly growing as a positive space. This could be a great opportunity. I've been hearing that threats is going down, my dear friends. I don't know, let me know in the comments. Longer form videos on TikTok, welcoming longer form videos. This could be a great opportunity to create more in-depth content and engage with your audience. I don't know, guys. We do get some, interesting point of views, but I don't feel that. I don't know, guys. I just feel that the Bing AI is not as good as Bart AI. That's my personal opinion. We just don't get so much new information over here. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Opus AI, how you can get shorts in a matter of seconds with only one click. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's find a video that we want to break into pieces. Let's say, for example, we want to break into pieces this video about KFC, okay? We want to click on the three dots underneath the video and then we want to click share. Then you want to click copy link. Now after we have the link, you want to go on Google Chrome and you want to find opus.pro. This is the website we're going to be using. First thing you want to do is essentially you want to come over here and paste the link. After you paste the link, you have to click get free clips. What this will actually do. When you paste the link of the video for KFC that we posted, the actual platform and the AI converter will create a 10 viral short form clips, which will be coming with their own description, with their own title, and they will be ranked from 1 to 10 from the most likelihood of the video getting viral to the least likelihood of video getting viral. And they will be grabbing a particular pieces of the video. Some of the videos might have a duplicate phrases or duplicate parts of the previous or the next video, because like I mentioned, this app simply chops off different scenes of the video. So some of the scenes might be overlapping, but this is essentially how it works. When you sign up, you will get the free credits, right? You will be able to create a number of videos, which after you exhaust your credits, you will be able to, buy more credits. You can sign up for free. I have a bunch of videos created on my own TikTok, and it is very nice. The only issue I see with this is that, the videos are usually not coming over a minute long. And if you use this app for publishing on TikTok, we all know, if you're part of the creativity program beta, videos have to have a longer duration of 1 minute. So then you might simply have to do additional editing so you can make it a little longer. Unfortunately, we don't have the option over here to make it a little longer. But essentially, this is how easy it is to just copy the link from the video that you want to chop off, and then you paste the link over here, you sign up for free, and then you simply click get free clips. And the best thing is that you can simply leave the app, because usually it takes a while. It depends on how many people are currently using the app. They will send you an email with notification that your videos are ready, and you're gonna get a link and you will be forwarded to your own page with all the 10 videos ready for download. Okay.
So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is, first of all, we're going to come over to canva.com. So I'm going to be showing you how you can, generate images using AI, and then how you can implement it into actual designs. Okay. So to start things off, what we are going to do is we're going to come over here to apps. Now, once you go to apps, from here, what's going to happen is you're going to come down here and you're going to click on AI powered. Now, once you click on AI powered, you get tons and tons of generators. You get Dolly, you get Imagine, and all of these different types of things. Now, the best ones are Magic Media and Dolly, so it depends on whichever you want to use. I would suggest going with the Magic Media because obviously that's Canva's very own Magic AI generator, but I'm also going to use Dolly just to give you an idea on how both of these work, okay? So to start things off, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open this up, okay? And I'm going to open this up in a new design. I'm going to open up a new design and let's give it some Instagram post radius. So once we do that, I'm going to come to Magic Media as well, just to, get a basic idea on a new design. So again, I'm going to come here, Instagram post. So here we have two Magic AI image generators, Dolly and, Magic Media. So they both work very, similarly. All you're going to need to do is you're going to need to put in a prompt. Now, when it comes to Magic Media, you can use images and you can create videos. It uses Runway to create videos. It's experimental right now, and you have 5 credits, okay? Even in this, you have 50 credits. So basically, after using these 50 credits on photos and 5 credits on videos, you're going to have to, buy Canva Pro. Without that, you won't be able to use it. Dolly, on the other hand, only gives you 3 credits. After that, you have to buy Canva Pro, and that is how you're going to be using Dolly. So I'm going to be using these credits for you guys today and, showing you the full capability of the stuff. So first of all, you have styles and aspect ratio. Which aspect ratio do you want this in? I'm going to keep it in square so it fits well. And then we have styles. So you have photography styles, you have digital art styles, and then you have fine art styles. So let's first of all go with this. I'm going to go with some vibrant styling. And from vibrant styling, it says describe the image that you want and we will generate it for you. You can also, by the way, try an example where it tells you this stuff. The dim lit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. But I'm going to, take that off and I'm going to write my own prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and write 5 people standing on a hill, camera hand at their backs, and obviously we're 5 people standing on a hill, camera panned at their backs, and obviously we're gonna go ahead and add landscape, retro, sunny, city life in front of them, Cadillac beside them. Okay, so that's a very hefty, prompt. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's see what it gives us, and you know, let's see where it takes us from. So we're just gonna wait for it to generate, and I'm gonna bring it back to you. So as you can see on the left-hand side, now you have your prompts generated. So you have 4 prompts: this, and this. Now you can see the vibrant vibe from it. It looks pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna bring this one over here just to see how it looks. And look at that. And now if we increase its size, that's the best part about creating an image through AI. You never lose its quality as, like, even if you make it big. So look at that. City in the bag, it seems retro, gives a very vibrant vibe. Now obviously the faces of the people aren't the greatest. Now the reason for that is because AI doesn't really capture a real life person's face very well. But yeah, you get the main vibe of it. And you get 4 variants of it. Plus, you can also change its style from, the style section. So let's say I want it to be neon and I'm going to click on generate it again. So let's say you're trying to make a collage, okay? So just going to keep it like this and I'm just going to increase its size a bit. There we go. So now you can pretty easily create a collage with the other pictures as well. So look at that. It started creating these retro images. So I'm going to add this one over here and look at how cool that looks. Like this is the type of stuff that Canva is good at creating. So I'm just going to match it over here and look at that. So now we have a very retro and cool vibe going on. Then let's go with some concept art. And while we're at this, let's also go ahead and discuss Dolly, okay? So in Dolly, you do the same thing, but in this, there's no style. You're just gonna enter your prompt and they're gonna give it to you. So, let's go ahead and write retro image of, so I'm gonna write retro image of a metal band performing at Woodstock. Woodstock is this performance venue, so I'm just going to go ahead and generate this. All that is being generated. Look at that. So now it's created a concept art, and that looks really nice. It looks really cool. I'm just going to add it to my design, make it smaller. There we go. And obviously, you're just going to wait for the quality to settle in. It takes a few seconds to load in. And there we go. Now the quality settled in. And finally, what we're going to do is let's change it to Filmic as well. Let's say I want a Filmic font. And while that is going on, look at this. Dall-E has created this for us. Now, Dall-E basically gives you the most realistic pictures, in my opinion. Like after Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, obviously Dolly will give you very realistic pictures. So look at this. It actually looks like a band poster. Again, the faces, don't go on them because, it's AI. AI is not the greatest at faces, but you get the retro vibe. And this is actually Woodstock. Woodstock stage did look like this. It's a metal band performing and, pretty cool stuff. And finally, we're over here. We get the filmic vibe. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to add it right here, make it smaller. There we go. And yeah, there we are. So you can see we made this 4 picture collage through AI. We made it through Magic AI. We made it through the Magic Pictures that we just used. And I'm simply going to go ahead and download this. And then you have this as well. And you're going to see that the image quality of these is absolutely out of this world. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using the image AI in Canva. So I hope that was, fun to watch for you. If it was, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Jasper AI tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is a co-pilot for different marketing teams. Now Jasper was created for all these marketing platforms, okay? And it was created for sales and CRM and just to make your CRM and sales better. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about what Jasper AI chat does for you and how it's better. So AI chat that feels surprisingly human. You can interact with artificial intelligence that will help you a lot. Okay, and it feels like you're actually talking to a live support member. It's an actual person. An expansive base of knowledge on niche and advanced topics. A familiar design that's accessible and easy to use and remembers what you said earlier by giving it a better context. You can start a chat with Jasper by asking a question or stating a command. And obviously, you're going to want to make an account with Jasper for this. It gives you a trial. It's going to ask you your credit card and stuff. But after that, look at that. You can use it immediately. And Jasper AI is an amazing AI chatbot tool. It's a good alternative to stuff like ChatGPT and to things like any other chatbots out there. An even better alternative to this is Bing Chat because that's totally free. But you can just use Jasper AI as itself because it was specifically created for marketing. Now, you can actually take Jasper's work and import it to your Jasper documents. And as you can see, you can see the similarities between Jasper and ChatGPT Plus. So, definitely use Jasper AI, sign up, and start using it right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Canva Magic Studio. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use the Canva Magic Studio in the easiest way. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your canva.com, okay? And we're going to be coming into our design and spotlight. So once you go into your design and spotlight, basically over here, you're going to find your Canva Magic Studio in the right hand side over here. Here it says, all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI powered tools for you and your team. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to try magic design by just adding some prompts, okay? So basically to get magic, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to have Canva Pro, because without Canva Pro you will not be able to use this. And text to video, text to image, all is going to need Canva Pro, but I will tell you how to use it though. So basically any item that you want, you're simply, let's say you want to add a magic switch to this, it will transform your content from one genre to another. It can translate any language from one format to another. You can reformat your whole video if you want. Then you have text to video, where you're going to write any text prompt and it's going to make a video out of it. You have text to image, where you're going to write any text and it's going to create an image out of it. You can effortlessly edit your photos, effortlessly edit your images. Magic grab, where you can basically just grab a picture or an element off of an original photo. You can professionally edit someone's clothes, background remover, magic eraser. That's all the competence of Magic Studio. And yeah, just get Camera Pro and start using away. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Midjourney tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Midjourney and how you can use this absolutely incredible application called Midjourney. Okay, it's totally AI related, and to start using this, first of all, I'm going to show you the showcase where, people have actually shown what they make using Midjourney. And Midjourney is obviously pretty independent. Now, to start using Midjourney, you're going to click on join the beta, where they're going to make you join a Discord server. Okay, Midjourney only works on Discord. So they're going to give you a Discord server where you can go ahead and make things like these. Look at this art. It's absolutely out of this world, isn't it? So what you're going to do is you're going to add prompts for yourself in Midjourney. Okay, so look at these prompts. Now, to make this, what you're going to do, again, Discord, you're going to continue to your Discord where you're going to accept the invite. And once you do that, you're going to run up your Discord. Now, I'm already in the Midjourney server, so let me show you how it works. So once you run up Midjourney, as you can see, it loads you in, so make roles and stuff. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney server. Now, Midjourney server is going to be right here. It's going to look somewhat like that. Over here, you're going to go to any room, okay? Now, generally, you should go in the general room. So let's say I'm going to go to general 9, okay? So there's tons and tons of room. Now, to generate something, you're going to write slash imagine, and then it's going to give you a prompt, okay? So in this prompt, you're going to write whatever, like, red color in the sky, etc., something like that. And that is how you can use Midjourney. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Music AI voice changer real time. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this music AI voice changer in the real time in the easiest way. So this voice changer that we have is called Voice-Swap AI, okay? And you can simply write music AI voice changer over here and you can get this in the top. Obviously, we have voice mod as well, which is one of the most famous ones when it comes to Discord. But obviously, we're going to use voice swap because voice swap was only made for, musicians. Now, basically, you can try it pretty simply. Obviously, it has its pricings and all that you are going to need to go ahead with. So you're going to sign up with your emails and all. Now, once you sign in, it takes you to the verification sections. It takes you to the mailing sections. So just go ahead and verify yourself. And once you verify yourself, it takes you into the obvious in-depth workings and analysis of how this software is supposed to work with you. So this is how it's going to look. You have all these artists that you can work with. Now, you're going to click on any artist to get started. You have session artists as well. These are obviously AI. So I'm going to go ahead with this person over here, Chuck Roberts. And once you go over here, you're just going to choose. See, Chuck Roberts is one of the house music's most iconic notes. I waited all day. I stayed up all night by the phone way. So you can see that this person's voice is AI and it's pretty good. So you can write any type of text you want to, or drag or upload your own mic audio, and they will obviously convert it. So that is how you can do real-time voice switching in the easiest way. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a presentation using the Bing chat. Very easy guys, very simple. Write a presentation on AI business models in 2024. Let's see how it will deal with writing a presentation, giving more creative work. Sorry, but I cannot write a presentation for you. That would be a violation of safety instructions, as it could cause financial harm to you or others. However, really, business models are ways to create a SI business product. The model involves generative AI. Okay. I'm actually quite disappointed, guys. This is the second time we try to use the Bing chat for business and it's not working. So I don't know what. Okay, so give me best hiking spots in Europe. Let's try the easy way, safe way. Obviously, everything related to money and finance, it's a no go. So okay, Europe is great for destination for hiking. Okay, we have Cortina d'Ampezzo, that's Italy. Known in Queen of Domains. Chamonix, that's in France. Okay, Camille Destin, Eau de Savoie. Then you have, what's that? Kregebogen. Okay, now we're coming up with pictures, guys. Now we're moving forward. Yes, it's looking very well. The Europe is a great destination for hiking enthusiasts. Beautiful. This is very, very nice. Finally, something nice, guys. Let me ask you to make it more professional for a blog post with better images. Now we're on to something. So these certain AI chatbots are good for particular tasks and not good for others. As we saw earlier, it simply doesn't work, and this one simply doesn't. We have reached the limit messages you can send by being 24 hours. Check back soon. What a surprise. Very bad, guys. I will give Bing 2 stars out of 10. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.
Free text to video AI generator. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can convert your text to video in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is you're going to come over to Invideo.io and you're going to go to Invideo AI. And once you're in Video AI, you're going to go to AI text to video. And here you can see you can turn text to video right now. No credit card required. It's totally free. You're just going to need to sign up with their platform. Okay. And you're going to write any text in the prompt box that they give you. And once you write that text, they're going to give you that video. Obviously, it might not be the greatest, but it is pretty acceptable. It looks pretty nice, and it's pretty dope that you're going to get this totally for free. So convert text to video with AI. Easiest way to turn text to video with AI is here. Create videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with simple text prompts for yourself. Yeah, and that's pretty much about it. Invideo.io, check it out right now and start creating. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Canva AI Image Generator. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly generating things for you from Canva AI. So to do Canva AI image generation, you're going to come to canva.com/AI-image-generator. And here you're also going to want to make sure that you have Canva Pro. Okay. So once you have Canva Pro, it says Magic Media. You're going to click on Use an Existing Design. Okay. You're going to go to any project of yours, or you can obviously use it in a new design as well. So I'm going to go with custom size, or you can, use any recurring size that you have. Let's say I'm going to go with Instagram story. Now over here, we're going to wait for things to load in. And once things load in for us, what we are going to want to do from here is we're going to add, actual prompts in it. So let's say I'm going to write toy car driving and actual car, pretty random prompt, but we're gonna click on enter, and it's gonna load us our prompts in really quickly. So you're just gonna want to go ahead and add those prompts for yourself. So let's wait for it to load in, and obviously it's gonna take a few seconds, but there you go. So now it's loaded, and look at the quality of these images. So it's gonna create qualities like these, and these looks pretty nice. So that's how you're gonna use this. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Photoshop AI generative fill. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this new feature in Photoshop that we have, which is called AI generative fill. Obviously, you've been seeing a lot of memes and reels about it where someone can choose a region of a photo. And once they choose a region, it's going to say generate and it's going to give you a prompt beside it. So you're going to click on generate. And obviously, as you can see, it was empty, but now it has a cheetah over there. And you can also add anything you want. So basically, you're going to open up your Photoshop and you're going to go to any picture you have. Let's say we have this picture. You're going to go to the selection tool and then just select a part of your photo. Here it says use any selection tool to select an object or area in your image and select the generate a fill button in the contextual taskbar. Write a prompt describing the object or scene you want to generate in the text entry prompt box or leave it blank and Photoshop will fill in the selection based on the surroundings. And then finally, click generate. And obviously, you're going to get to see the whole thing. And it turns it into something cool pretty fast. So that's why I like this a lot, and you should use this for yourself as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to use Google Bard. So if you want to quickly go ahead and use Google Bard, what you're going to do is you're going to come to Google and you're going to write Google Bard. And it's going to bring you to bard.google.com. And that is exactly what we're going to want to go to. So we're going to go to Bard. It says chat-based AI tool. Now, once you go to Bard, it's going to bring you right here into Bard experimenting. And, as you can see, Bard was just updated. Now, you can ask anything of Bard. You can create anything of Bard. Let's say you want to create a social post. So outline my social media post from my network, from my summer internship. Let's say you want to add that in. So you're going to click on that. And obviously, it's going to generate a whole post for you, which is pretty incredible, right? Then, moving on, you can also add in images. And so look at this over here. It's going to create a whole outline for you with a headline, body, call to action, additional tips, and then look at this. It gives you the whole body to work with. You can also ask a coding question. So you can write me a random code in C++. Okay, you can ask it to do that. And once you ask it to do that, it's even going to do that for you. So this is basically how you're going to be using Bard. And look at that. It's going to write me an actual code in C++ that I can add into my program. And it's obviously going to work pretty incredibly. So it says, here's another C++ code that creates a simple guessing game with a twist. This is, a random poem combining creativity and randomness. So pretty incredible. And it also gives you the source where it gets it. So that's pretty much about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.